How to fix Snapchat sound not working. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and make sure your phone is not in silent mode. Turn on your ring mode on phone. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Scroll down to the very bottom. Then go ahead and find Snapchat tab on it. Make sure the toggle button for microphone is turned on. Here again, you can go ahead and tap on notifications. Make sure to turn on the toggle button for allow notifications. Next, you want to go ahead to your control center and then make sure if your Wi-Fi connection is working properly. And also make sure that your do not disturb mode is turned off. Now go ahead and open Snapchat app on your phone. When you go ahead and record any video, on the right hand side you can see speaker like option. When you turn it off, Snapchat will be disabled on Snapchat. If this thing does not help you, make sure your speaker is cleaned up, and that might help you fix the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.